Hey guys, it's Doug with Creative Restorations, and this isn't exactly the video that I wanted to shoot and upload, but unfortunately, as circumstances have it, we had to evacuate New Orleans for Hurricane Ida. I'm gonna put up some clips here of some of the devastation. We actually stayed through the storm itself, and then we lost power early Saturday morning or Sunday morning. Lost power early Sunday morning, which wasn't so bad. We were gonna stick it out and just stay if that's all we lost was power. We had food, we had water, we had everything that we really needed. But then later on in the day, well, the water went out. We no longer had water. We no longer had sewerage. So couldn't flush a toilet, couldn't take a bath, couldn't brush teeth, couldn't wash dishes, no nothing. So, oh, and by the way, as you can see, we have a new addition to the family. This is Bullet. Say hi, Bullet. So anyway, but yeah, so I'm gonna show you some of the devastation that we went through with Hurricane Ida. And this real quick too, my website, billiardsofneworleans.com, and I'm going to leave a link down below for billiardsofneworleans.com. I sell pool table cloth and some supplies and everything on there. And if you guys could go see your way clear, if you're looking to buy anything for your pool table, help me out. This is one of the rare times where I'm going to ask for help. Although we're not there, we are still managing to do drop ship orders directly from Championship and our other suppliers. So if you place an order through our website, billiardsofneworleans.com, everything is still going to be shipped because it's mostly being shipped out of Chicago, who obviously isn't affected by Hurricane Ida. But the profits from it do go to me, and right at the moment, everything is shut down. We're not doing any pool tables, and it's going to be at least a month before we're able to go back. So if you guys could see your way clear, if you're looking to buy anything for doing your pool table, please go to billiardsofneworleans.com and go to store and buy your supplies there. I really, really, really appreciate it. Anyway, check out the footage, and we'll see you on the next video.
Inside the hurricane protection system, the flooding that could happen will be from the torrential rain, because the pumps will not be able to keep up more than likely if the rain.
As long as the tree doesn't fall down on my truck or your truck.
It can fall on David's. We don't care if it falls on his.
No. Water's coming in.
Yeah. Garage still unlocked?
If the doors stay closed, food will stay safe for up to 4 hours in a refrigerator, 48 hours in a full freezer, 24 hours freezer, don't open that door unless you positively have to. But
I recommend this. Get a plan. Know exactly what's in the refrigerator that you really want to save. Think it out. And then quickly, open the refrigerator, open the freezer, put everything you want to really save in the freezer, from the fridge, close it, and don't open the freezer again.
and even that,
Give it 2 days.
I am. It's awful.
right, would be a short-term solution if you're there and you want to cook it and you need it to eat it, right? Because if you try to preserve it for the future, I hate to tell you this, but no, I understand that. I fully realize that. It's a great idea. I'm just saying, if the idea is that you want to save this for Christmas or something, no. Yeah, I hate to say it, but that window is closed because these transmission lines, and we went through this last night, Bill and I and Dave and all of us were talking about it when it happened. Joe Valiente sent me that video. Did you ever see a video of this?
Yeah, he said he had before and after. So they had a picture right before and then a picture right after. So you could see it crumbling in the last picture.
Right. So you got,
No, I've not seen it. So we've asked him. We obviously can't recommend
you can understand that. So you got a salvage operation that's going to have to happen on the river to get the lines out. I don't know if the lines are sunken on the level, on the surface. I don't know. Nobody knows at this point. They're still trying to figure it out. The tower is collapsed. Do you know, or do we have any idea if it caused any problems down the line, as in you do something wrong in your house and there's a gross oversimplification?
No,
But you damage the outlet and then you go back and you hurt the breaker, and then from there maybe you hurt something else. You see what I'm saying?
in fact, what Entergy explained last night was that when the tower fell and the 8-feeder lines went down, it created what they called an imbalance in the power system. And they had to stop making electricity as a result at the plant. And they just shut it off at the source.
So it's like almost the ultimate short circuit, maybe something along those
I
lines.
think that's really what it is. And for whatever reason, and I'm not going to pretend to understand all the intricacies of the power grid, but I do know that Entergy told us that because this tower fell into the river and 8 transmission lines went down, they had to shut it off at the source. So they're not even, at least they weren't in the immediate aftermath. I don't know the status now, a little over 12 hours later, if they're actually producing any electricity right now or not. But Entergy is at a point now where they have to reevaluate the entire grid.
Which
in
way you wanna
Southeast
go?
Louisiana.
Towards
way?
the lake.
You should
Towards the
not
lake?
expect power anytime soon.
We can see things around the CBD right now. I did not have a chance to really
Power
do
line's
anything
down
other
over
than look
there.
out of the window, and that just gives me a
Snap the pole over
a
there.
narrow view of
Yep.
Straight ahead of
and
us.
some streets
Yep.
that are in, some trees, small trees that are implanted in the sidewalk. What did you see, Dave, in terms of trees as you were driving around this morning?
Well, it was at 1 o'clock in the morning, and what I saw was trees
sign is
down,
down.
at least one on almost every street I traveled, at least. A lot of branches, some big limbs, but just a lot of trees down, particularly in Jefferson Parish. And real problems with trees down everywhere. Some massive trees that were laying down. Not as many as I saw
Well,
in Katrina,
their sign got totally
but
ripped down.
a whole lot of trees down.
So, in terms of fences, I'm guessing you saw a lot of those down, wooden
Trees
fences.
on fences, yeah.
Yeah, and it sounds like
Yeah, I saw it.
It
I got
sounds
it.
like some kind of old whaling ship or grandma sitting in a rocking chair, and that's a big building.
I don't
So
think
in
anybody's
terms
gonna
of
say anything about me
staying,
taking
the only
U-turn
question I had
Go
is
down
why
towards
in the
buses
world,
and then
and I
turn around if
understand
we
this
have
person
to.
is happy because they couldn't
Alright.
keep any rain from damaging their floor
There's no
anymore,
water
but,
over there.
why in the
That
world
got
would
destroyed.
anybody stay for this if they could leave? Having, again, written out a bunch of them like you, because that's our job.